Good morning guys. So tara samahan mo kami magawa-gala papunta. And may kasama pala ako, dalawa kong kaibigan. Ayan, si Marcel, saka si Celia. So lalabas na tayo guys. So, ayan pala ang kasama ko guys, si Marcel. Say hi girl. Ang gandang Pilipina si girl. Ayan si mag-hi kaga. Hi, welcome to the world. Oh, papunta pala kami ng Macau. Second time around or third time around. So, ayan. Waiting ng bus. Ang init. Grabe, sobrang init. Alas 8 pa lang ng umaga pero sobrang init na. Ayan. Ayan, tumatakbo siya. Pila-pila na kami dito.
Empty road beneath the wheels. Dust wind steals a faded fields. Endless lines along the plain. Dark horizon stays the same. Radio hums low and thin. Lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, nowhere to lean. Just the road in between. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. Cold wind rides the lonely track. Leave the old ghost in the back. Worn out signs and broken views. Silent dusk hides old wounds. Engine hums a tired tone. Far from where I used to roam. Distant clouds drift out of sight. Drift away from wrongs and right. Quiet path, unguided pace. Let the highway race. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. Cold wind rides a lonely track. Leave the old ghosts in the back. Miles unfold with no reply. Dark folk come, cold lullaby. All the way left far behind on this endless lonely line.
ayan na nga guys, naglalakad na kami papunta ng bus. At papunta na kami ng Macau. Sobrang daming tao na. Sasakay na kami, Macau. Ayan na yung bus. Welcome to Macau. Girl, sakay na siya. So finally guys, nandito na kami sa Macau and then ngayon, picture ng aking mga kasama. Ayan. Selfie. Selfie, selfie. Ayan. Oh, ako naman ha. Ay guys, nakasakay na kami dito. Ayan. Standing ovation, parang Pilipinas lang. Maraming tao. Girl. Ang laki ng mukha. Ang mga galing sa Hong Kong, ayan. Iba yung bus na nila dito eh. Ano ka, iduyan-duyan ka talaga. Sana makatulog kayo. Sana punta natin. Parang baliktad yata yung mga ano. Welcome to Macau. Ay, yung bridge dyan. So, dahil naabutan kami ng gutom, wala pa kami breakfast. So, ayan guys, brunch na to yung pagkain natin. And yung pagkain ni girl. Girl, hi girl. Ayan. Egg, salted egg yan, diba? Salted egg and chicken. Duck. Duck pala yun. Duck chicken. Ito ay pork barbecue. Pork barbecue and salted egg. Rice. At ito naman ang akin guys, ito ay street foods. Ito ay beef. Parang ano to, anong klaseng beef? Native beef. And rice. So, waiting na lang yung drinks namin. So, tara guys, kain tayo. And see you mamaya sa aming mga gala. Kahit saan ang gala namin. Kaya abangan nyo guys, ito-tour namin kayo. Wow! Ang ganda ng view guys. Ayan o. Mag-hi ka. Hi guys, malapit na kami uuwi. Forget yung gala. Pinagpawisan ng kikinig. Ayan yung Lisboa.
Ay, Wind Tower.
At ayan yung ano yun? Wind Tower? Ikaw lang ano ng iPhone.
It's the same. Radio hums low and thin. Lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, nowhere to lean. Just the road in between. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. track.